Hello, I thought I would show you guys what's going on. Um, so I'm in the process of moving. I haven't fully moved into my new place and out of my old place, but I am working on it. So I thought I would show you guys what I'm dealing with here at the old place. I haven't moved out my shower stuff. I did recently clean the shower, but it looks like it may need some more done. We've got this curtain is taken down, and those need to come with me. Got my cleaning supplies, some towels, this really gross toilet. Yeah, I was sick recently and just did not catch up on everything. Life has been crazy. I've gone traveling out of town and out of state last 2 weekends, so I've been very busy. Lord willing, I'm going to stay home this weekend. Got my laundry, have to vacuum. I'm not keeping this bed or the sheets because my new place has a mattress. That bag clothes I'm not keeping. Just it's pretty gross. I've got a lot to do. I've got an hour till my bedtime. And I have been putting a lot of time in. Like last night I went to sleep about an hour after my bedtime, so to not get to sleep. But I got some friends that were really sweet and helped me last night. We worked on it for about 3 hours. If I had not had their help, it would have taken like days. It would have taken so long just to pack things and move them. But I'm gonna update you guys on how much I get done. I'm gonna update you guys on the before and the after, and then I'm gonna take you guys on a tour of my new place and show you a before and an after. After I of when I move the stuff in, and then when I get everything where it should be. I hope you guys like this, that you follow the progress. I hope you guys all have a blessed day.